Welcome back, people. This is Aiden's car. We got his lights on. I turned off my phone by accident. I'm a DCD. So, Aiden got his up. And this, there it goes. Oh! Trash! In reverse. Hey, me and Mom are sharing one at the moment because my car is in the shop. Video. Say hi.
Hi.
Where's my backpack? Okay. 1 second. I'm gonna pause. Welcome, people, back. This is mine and Mom's cars. Me and Mom are sharing at the moment, so it got really cool. It's really cool. Right now I'm gonna plug it in. Let's take out the clips. And so to turn this car on, you actually need to plug it in. So 1 second. Hey guys. Okay, I just got the power on. So right now I'm gonna put back on the top.
Yeah, what happened? You guys drove it out to Nebraska and it seemed to be doing just fine.
And there we go. I got the blue wire.
It wasn't doing like completely just fine, but it wasn't right. So you guys drove to Nebraska like that?
Okay, we got it set up. Oh. On. Does this one have a switch or is this one dead?
Don't lose the pins, Ivan.
I know where I'm setting them. Does it even... Is it on? Is this...
Phone died.
Aye! Okay, I got it working. Where those clips?
Well, that sucks.
Okay. Which way does it turn? This way. So this is gonna be the front.
So we need to make it to this one.
Here's the
Or
top.
did you say they were only open on weekends?
There we go. Sorry. I need like a band to strap on my head and my chest. But right now, we are trying to spend as much. We are trying to.
I know, I see that.
This time,
Yeah, but then you gotta wait for it.
we went to go here. It was really fun, but my car was down. Well, it died. Okay, so if you don't see the car at all times, it's because I don't have. Okay, I'm kind of confused. Anyway, I don't know how I'm going to do this.
Let go of the power!
But I'm going to ask my mom if she could take a video. Can you hold this for a video? So I can...
I love these lights because
Go over here into this side.
Wait, what?
Go over into this side.
Hey guys, let's go on this side. Ivan, you were saying that I can